We're gonna go back into the biceps now. So, one leg in front, open from here, we go into a bicep curl. So it's up on 2 and down on 2. Again, up on 2 and down on 2. Up on 2 and down on 2. Remember what we talked about? Keeping the weight into the front leg. So lean slightly into the front leg, abs slightly pulled in, and then work into the biceps. Good. Couple more. 7. Up. One more time. Now let's do it in singles. Here we go. 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2, and we're going for 8 more. Now put as much into it as you possibly can. Remember, elbows stay close to your waistline as you're lifting up. You want to isolate that bicep. Good. 2. Last one, let's hold at the top. Hold at the top. From here, one release at a time. Down and lift. Down and lift. Nice. Down and lift. Good. Again. Down, lift. Down, lift. You gotta want these ones. Good. So you're holding, you're releasing at the same time. Good. Let's go. Up. Going for 4 more. I can feel a slight burn. A slight burn. Good. Both arms up and down. This is the last set. Good. Huh? Can feel a burn in those biceps? Yes? Good. Okay. Let's keep it 4. Do we have 8 more? Do we have 8 more? 8. Good. This is the last bicep. After this, we're done with the biceps. You gotta want them. Girls, especially for you. You want to show those muscles when you wear those sleeveless dresses, yes? Come on, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, squeeze and hold. Release it down, good job. Shake it out for a second.